Lesson 5. First, let's review what we learned last time. Make sure you remember how you make a list in Python, how you can get an element from that list, and how you can get the elements starting from the back of that list. Today, we'll be starting on a project making a for-function calculator. To do this, we will be creating 4 functions for plus, minus, divide, and multiply. We will write a while loop and use if statements to allow multiple uses of the calculator. You can continue to run calculations forever. As an extra challenge, we will also be trying to handle incorrect input. For example, if you input a letter instead of a number, it will remind you that the calculator can only be used with numbers. Here's a little hint for the project. This is a while loop that you can use to run the calculator forever. Use a boolean and input so that you can use the calculator more than once every time you run the program. The rest of the while loop includes the actual functions and the calculator, and then the user can choose whether to continue or not. After you finish this project, here's our second project for today, a dare generator. For this project, you will be using lists, print statements, and random.choice to choose a dare out of a list of dares and have it go on forever until a user says no to a question. Here's a hint on how this code would be structured. You set a variable x to be true, and while x is true, you can prompt the user whether they want a dare or not. If they respond with yes, you can output a random dare chosen from your list of dares. Otherwise, you can break from the while loop and end the code.